Today I'm going to teach you how to send a contract via Docusign. This is a streamlined way to get documents signed electronically, saving you time and eliminating the hassle of printing, scanning, or mailing physical paperwork. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your login details to access your Docusign account. This step gives you access to all the tools and features needed to send your contract for signature. After logging in, you'll land on your Docusign homepage. Here, look for the Start button and click on it. This button initiates the process of creating a new envelope, which is Docusign's term for a document package that you'll send out for signing. Next, click on Upload. Then select Desktop from the options that appear. This tells Docusign that you want to upload a file stored on your computer rather than pulling it from cloud storage or another location. A file browser window will open up, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Locate the contract file you want to send and select it, then click Open. The file will begin uploading to Docusign. Depending on the file size, this might take a moment, so just give it a second to process and load into the system. Once your document is uploaded, you'll need to add a recipient. Navigate to the recipient section and type the name of the person who needs to sign the contract in the text field provided. Right beside the name field, you'll see another text field for the recipient's email address. Type in their email here. This is where Docusign will send the notification and the link to sign the document. Now navigate down to the subject field. Here, type a subject line that clearly identifies what this contract is about. This helps the recipient understand what they're being asked to sign before they even open the email. Below the subject line, you'll find a text field for entering a message. Type in any additional instructions or context you want the recipient to have when they receive the contract. With your recipient details and message filled out, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Next to proceed. This advances you to the document editing stage where you can customize where signatures and other information should be placed. On the left sidebar, you'll see a variety of standard fields available, including signature, initial, stamp, and name fields. Click on any of these fields and drag them onto your document wherever you need the recipient to provide information or sign. This is your chance to specify exactly where each piece of information should go, ensuring nothing gets missed. Once you've placed all the necessary fields on your document, navigate back to the bottom right corner and click Send. This finalizes everything and sends the contract out to your recipient via email. They'll receive a notification with a link to review and sign the document electronically. And that's it. Your contract is now on its way to the recipient, and you can track its progress through your Docusign dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.